In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Klaviyo account ID. This seemingly simple task is vital for a range of functions, from integrating your account with other tools to setting up advanced marketing workflows. So whether you're a new Klaviyo user or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. First things first, let's dive into how to log into your Klaviyo account. Begin by navigating to the Klaviyo homepage. On the upper right corner of the page, you'll see the login option. Click on it and get ready to enter your credentials. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email and password associated with your Klaviyo account. Fill in those details carefully. Once done, hit the login button to access your account. If you've entered your details correctly, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens in Klaviyo, but for now we'll focus on finding your account ID. After successfully logging in, you might find yourself on the main dashboard of Klaviyo. Here you'll want to navigate to the upper right corner once again, but this time you're looking for your account name or profile icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. Within this drop-down menu, your next step is to locate and select the settings option. It's crucial as this is where all your account's foundational settings are adjusted, including what we're after today. Upon clicking settings, a new page will load. Keep an eye out for the API keys section. You might wonder why API keys? Well, it's simple. Your Klaviyo ID is part of the API section because it's a unique identifier that can be used programmatically to access your account data, making it a sensitive piece of information that's kept secure here. Click on API keys within the settings menu. Once this page opens, you may see any existing API keys you've created in the past. However, what we're interested in isn't the API keys themselves, but rather the section this link brings us to. Here you'll find your Klaviyo account ID listed prominently at the top, or within the details of this page. Your Klaviyo account ID is an essential piece of information, acting as a unique identifier for your account. This might look like a random string of characters, but it holds the key to integrating your account with various platforms and tools, ensuring all your marketing operations are synced and running smoothly. But here's a pro tip. Treat your Klaviyo account ID just as securely as you would your password. This ID gives access to your account in conjunction with other pieces of information. So while it's helpful for setting up integrations and enhancing your marketing efforts, it's also something to keep under wraps, sharing only with trusted individuals or systems. In today's digital age, your Klaviyo account, with all its data and integrations, is a powerhouse for your marketing efforts. Knowing how to find your account ID is just a small yet critical step in unlocking its full potential. Whether you're looking to integrate with Shopify, set up advanced email marketing workflows, or personalize your customer engagement strategies, this unique ID is your gateway. Remember, if at any point you find yourself stuck or confused, Klaviyo's support team and their extensive help documents are just a few clicks away. Always ensure you're navigating these steps in a secure environment to protect your account's integrity. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to finding your Klaviyo account ID. Now that you know where to find it and how important it is, you're well on your way to making the most out of your Klaviyo account, whether it's for integration purposes, setting up advanced features, or simply for record keeping. Your account ID is a crucial piece of your marketing puzzle. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial was helpful and has demystified the process of locating your Klaviyo account ID. For more tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Happy marketing, and see you in the next video.